Our job matching feature is unique to culinary agents and benefits both hiring employers and job seekers. This feature helps businesses and individuals make relevant connections based on the job opportunities available and the skill sets and experience potential candidates have. It's one of our effective recruiting tools designed to save you time and money. Here are the most recent enhancements we've made to the candidate matching experience for hiring employers. Filtering talent by their current job search status. Turnover is always a challenge for this industry. Now we more frequently collect the status of job seekers so that you can sort and narrow your matches by the following statuses: actively looking, open to opportunities, or not looking. Tagging matches for easy review and sorting. To make it even easier to sort and organize your matches with your team, we have introduced tags to label candidates you and your team have already reviewed: invite to apply, pass, and review later. Invite to apply. When you select Invite to apply, the candidate will receive your request in their daily job summary email. As an additional option, you are able to include a note with your invitation, using a templated message or creating a custom one to send by clicking Customize Invite. Please note that while there is no limit when clicking Invite to apply, other messaging has been removed from the matching section to simplify its functions, allowing tags to provide more efficiency for your recruiting operations. Once a match is invited to apply, your invitation will be included in their daily summary email, and upon logging in, they will also see a notification of the new invitation. Then they can view the invitation, which provides a direct link to your job post so that they can learn more and easily apply. Pass. After reviewing a match, you may decide they are not a good fit for the job. Clicking Pass will remove this candidate from being matched to the same position for the next 90 days. The Pass tag was created to help you stay organized. It is private and can only be viewed by your team. Matches will not be notified if you select this tag. Review later. If you are not sure about a match or are not ready to review them yet, tagging the candidate with Review Later will help you stay organized and make it simple to review when you are ready. The Review Later tag is also private and can only be viewed by your team. Matches will not be notified if you select this tag. Automatic removal of a candidate you pass on. As mentioned earlier, when you tag a match with Pass, this candidate will not appear for 90 days in your matches for the same position, which includes if you post a new job for the same position. For more information, please visit the resources section on culinaryagents.com as we continue to update and improve our features and tools to best serve the hiring needs of your business. If you have any questions, our team is here to help. Simply email us at info@culinaryagents.com for assistance.